Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. Happy Valentine's Day. It is me, your girl, the real Princey, Princess P, back with another quick times video. If you are new, if you have never heard the sound of my voice, thank you for stopping by. Please go ahead and subscribe. Stay a while. Stay with me. If you've been here, you staying here, you ain't going nowhere. Big up all my real ones. Hello. Real recognize real in here. I found this Xoxo board, tic-tac-toe board from our favorite place, Dollarama. Come through, Dollarama. And it became a cute little tray piece, a cute little accent decor piece for my table setting. If you'd like to see that, go ahead and click the link. I actually had to spruce it up a little bit to give it more of a luxurious look. I did not like how plain that wooden tray was, so I changed the look by spray painting it. It absolutely changed the look. You can see that finished product and I really like it. I think this piece is so cute, and I mean, for $4, hey, you can't go wrong. I did not end up using those Velcro pads. I thought I may need them to keep the little wooden X's and O's in each box, but they actually held up. XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it, but don't take it for granted. Ay. I wanted to do something different with my napkins, so I searched the internet. This is not a fresh idea from my mind. This was a searched and tried DIY idea. I saw it on the internet. I wanted to give it a try. The first time I tried, I did fail because I did not bring the napkins all the way around the rim. You need to bring it all the way around so that it kind of seals, and it came out beautifully after. It's a little bit different. It tied in with the theme, and I really like this idea. So don't be scared to give it a try. And yes, it may fall apart the first time, like mine did, but if you do it again, I'm sure you will get it. So this last idea, again, I did find on the internet, and I thought it was really cool. So I wanted to try it. Keep in mind when you are folding it in half, if you have any tags on your piece of material or your napkin, rip that off or tuck it in. Use it on the side that's going to be tucked in as well. The more space you leave at that top with the triangle to become the leaves, the bigger those leaves will be. Originally, I was going to use these small roses as napkins, but I ended up using it as a part of the decor in my Xoxo tray on my setting for my table. If you have a bigger napkin, it will be a lot bigger, more pronounced. This one is a mini rose. That's all for this video. It was super quick. I hope those who celebrate Valentine's Day have an amazing day. Those who are not celebrating Valentine's Day, have an amazing day. I mean, it is what it is, right? Thank you guys for watching one more time. Big up all my real ones. Real recognize real. It is me, Princess P, the real Princey. Bye.